Welcome to your journey with Goddess Isis. Today we will be going into the Temple of Isis as we travel into the portal of the pyramid and receive the light language activation there. Begin by closing your eyes if you haven't. Together, let's take 3 deep grounding breaths, breathing in. Let it out with a sound. Breathing in. Let it out. Breathing in. Let it go. We now call forth the presence of the angels, of the dragons, and all of your guides who wish to be present today. Knowing that only the highest frequency of love and highest being of the highest realm is here, casting a circle of protection, knowing you are enveloped in a cocoon of light, held, loved, and supported. You are safe. And let's just have fun in this process. It doesn't have to be fancy or complicated. It's just about setting the intention. Whichever way you choose to travel, whether you're traveling in an imaginary pod or an imaginary cloud, just imagine you go into this portal and you travel all the way right into the pyramid in Egypt, right into the Temple of Isis. And so you arrived, and you start to feel this portal, this Stargate portal that is right within you, feeling the structure of these pyramids, feeling into the energy of Isis, of Hathor, of Divine Feminine. And you found yourself sitting right in the center of the pyramid. And in that space, you start to notice that your body is softening and your heart is opening, and you feel somewhat home. Maybe for some of you, you felt you have been here before. Or maybe it's your first time here. Either way, you are at the right place at the right time, receiving exactly what you need. Calling with your intention for stronger and stronger presence of Isis as you feel stronger energy of hers. You may see a vision or hear a word or feel something in your body, or maybe nothing. You receive whatever you need in whatever shape, way, or form, either now, today, or later on. No rush, no hurry. Allow. And I invite you to repeat this gently after me. I now open myself to receive this healing, activation, and transmission. And so it is. Breathing in and out. Nothing to do. Relax and receive. Uah kuatala ua nala ua shualata iya turuna. Inara ualatia ta uatala siatala uata. Itara uana kleta utuata isuatala inara uklata idara klata edala uana hea. Ea wala inra ita uaklata ina ushuata ira uaklana rawata kata. Ena wata isata ua ita uarana uatala iya kuata. Enla ua tua suala iana atla kuata. Enara uatala ida usata ina iklata uatala iata. Enla uatala ida uasuata itra klana iata uatla ina kuasata. Hela kuana ia itra akla ia uasanala ina uakata. Uasanala ina uata iatla Ia suata ia. Iya kla iya. Ia tawata eala ejaha eana iadra eana ishatraha enalaha edrawaha uana ia swata hea hoa laya hoa ya uanaya ia laya Shaya itra haya ya wahaya wanaya iya laya ya wa iya itra Unara uata iata ua inalua suata krana iata uatla iana uatla ina suata. As you drop into this silence, simply listen for any message that Isis might have for you today. Focusing on your breath anytime you need to center yourself. Today, as we work with Isis, we work with the energy of your sacral chakra, opening you up to receive and receive and receive and allow all the good things in life to come in, to reclaim your self-worth and step up into who you truly are. Remember why you are here and who you are and what you are meant to do. because you are more than good enough. You are worthy as you are. You are the sacred leader that you are born to be. It's your time to show up, to serve, and to lead, and to rise up. And that is the message Isis has for you today. As you go through the day and the week or even the month, allow Isis to be your guide if you feel called to. You can always come back to this moment that you have with Isis today, knowing she's always here for you. And if you are ready to deepen your starseed journey, your healing journey, you can also journey with me in a 6-week starseed healing where we work with different goddesses and work specifically on your starseed wounds, where you can actually not only meet your star family, but heal your ancestral line as well as your starseed wounds and activating your light codes as you step into the starseed visionary leader that you are. And we will come into a very tight and intimate circle where we are safe and supported, where there is room for you to share and to ask your question, to be held and loved and supported, where I will be guiding you with light language, activation, healing, and sharing teaching, messages, downloads, as well as coaching you whenever it is appropriate. And if that calls out to you, you can always join us very soon. You can find out all the information in the description below, knowing that you'll be guided at every step at the right time. And after a session like this, you are invited to drink lots of water and keep a journal and allow whatever to come true at this time. And we now call back all parts of you, all your power and all your energy back into your body as you start to release yourself from the pyramid portal, release yourself from the temple of your Isis, and return right back into your room and right back into your body, into the here and now, coming fully back here, fully back in the body, and breathing deep in and out. Again. Again. Start to wriggle your toes and wriggle your finger. You may even want to rub your palm and feet together to create some heat as you start to feel the sensation of your body. With this, we now fully mark the circle closed. The circle is now closed, the ceremony is released, the temple is released. The healing is done, the activation is done, the transmission is done. It is done, it is done, it is done. And with me together, we say Aho. Breathing in and out. Aho. And so it is. And I will see you again. It's Alice Hadi here, your starseed guide and healer.